I'm Michael Mendes. I'm with Just Desserts, which is based in Fairfield, California. We're really pleased to receive the recognition for our new vegan product line. We launched our vegan product line about 3 years ago, and our vegan midnight chocolate cake is now one of the fastest growing products in our portfolio. We've expanded our vegan offering, which has really been well received by consumers. As we have a clean label facility, we have a nut-free bakery, and there's a lot of vegan consumers who are looking for a premium vegan solution, and we're excited to satisfy that market. So we are expanding our vegan offering with 5 new items this year, and we're going to be introducing some new vegan cupcakes, so we're excited to come to the market in the back half of the year. So we're pleased to have recognition and appreciate the opportunity to represent the market.